Welcome to the trading room daily market update. Today a lot of stuff is happening. At the moment I show you the trades we are in. We are currently trading the S&P on the long side, as well as gold, also long, and the German DAX also in a long position here. So let's get it started with the S&P technical analysis. We are taking our trades, our signals from the 4-hour chart. So let's get started here with the daily chart S&P. This is also something we're also taking a close look at it. So we have this 4,000 level. I was always talking about it, basically, you know, dragging the market, down again at the moment. We can see here all these bounces back up and forth. So everything looked quite bullish. Today everything looks really bearish. The daily candle is quite interesting. Actually, at the moment we kind of retraced it already like 50%. Let's see how things will play out when the candle closes today. So let's that gives us some sort of information, that maybe the down pressure might be over. The sell-off is going to end, and we are hopefully seeing the market rise again. Our position, like I mentioned yesterday, we opened our long position at 41.56, and the market really sliced through all this support here just like butter. Our stop actually was holding really close here, close call, and yeah, it's always very important, the stop location, and of course we placed it as usual at the low of the last significant higher low in this case, and the market then broke out all the way up. We were hoping that the market will do the following: come back down and then bounces back up from this level. Of course that's a dream textbook trade, but instead it really crushed down hard. So far we're still in the trade. Let's see how things will develop. Well, we have a calculated risk, so it's all good if we get stopped out, but of course it's always better to make some money than losing. But this is part of the game. Losing is part of the game, guys, so don't get all frustrated and try to whine or whatever. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. If you understand this fact, it's a simple fact, you will digest those losses much easier. Today if I look at the markets, all I see is red, right? Red in the S&P, I see red in the DAX, and I see red in gold. Doesn't mean they will all end up losing, and if they do, it's fine. It's all calculated risk. I calculate with that sort of risk, and maybe the next one will be a profitable trade again. So let's look at gold. And gold, yeah, it's really back and forth, not doing much. We are also in this trade. This was the ABC pattern, and then now building this sort of range here. Maybe you can call it like a short flag somehow, which is just like this move, and then building the short flag. And next thing, sorry, I switch over to the right chart. This short flag here could be boom, breaking out of the short flag on the lower side. Yeah, we are long, so we cannot do much. I have nowhere to put my stop. I can go to this low, doesn't make a difference. So I have to hold my horses on gold and see how the market will develop. The euro, very nicely trending down, actually breaking out sort of ish, you know, all this kind of false breakout here. So I don't want to really yeah, I'm not really excited about going short right now after all this down, you know, sequence. Well, we will see, and see maybe the market is forming here some sort of a bottom. Maybe it just continues down. I already traded this down move and this was successful, so I'm holding my horses with the euro. But definitely it is a beautiful downtrend. We can see that on the daily. We have all these down bars, and most of the time, many times, let's say, people start thinking, yeah, after all this downside here, there should be, like, you know, the market should turn. And no, it doesn't. It continues in the direction of the trend. Would have been a beautiful play here, you know, all the way down. I was able to cut out something, not the entire move, but I'm fine with that. And I'm a bit cautious as I'm trading in free markets actively right now. I don't want to, you know, throw my money into the euro at the moment. So yeah, next and last market is the the German DAX, and we have the same scenario as in the S&P. We have this breakout. This is the daily chart, breaking out, coming back down to, you know, bounce of this support, but it doesn't. It just slices through as if there would be no support at all. And this is how it looks on the 4-hour chart. We also entered the trade, of course, on top of the support here, and yeah, the market really pushing down. So yeah, market is really selling off at the moment. Not at the moment, it's still, you know, all within, you know, the norm here, because we didn't break below this low so far, but we are quite close. It actually pushed quite low today as well. So yeah, we will see how things will develop in all markets here. Oof, so, you know, it's very, you know, volatile right now, the market in the last 30 minutes here. I can show you the S&P 1-hour chart. You know, all this noise here, you know, this is the open. The market just came back, tested the open, now pushing back down. Well, let's see. We got 2 days left, and we got some news tomorrow. Yeah, we cannot do anything at the moment. Our signals, we took the signals, we entered at the you know, planned entry levels, and all we can do right now is see what the market will decide. You know, this is what it is. So the probabilities, once the market breaks out and you know, comes, I can show you that on the S&P one more time. The probabilities, the market, you know, breaks out here of this high, then breaks out even higher. You want to buy the long once it comes back to test the breakout level, what it did yesterday. You know, the probability that the market just continues in the direction it broke out is quite high, is higher than what the market is doing right now. Boom, you know. But maybe we got lucky with the stop. So let's see, hope and wait. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep you posted. Take it easy. Bye bye.